Today, the Roma and James family are filming at Macauley Avenue in the South Shore area. A double-fronted, double-bedroom mid-terrace property selling with no chain delay. The property's location and positioning means it's perfect for access to local shops, schools, and also the M55 motorway. James and Roma James Estates, and today's presentation is all about the ultimate first home, filmed at Macauley Avenue in South Shore. Upon entrance, the centralised hallway provides access to both the living room and open-plan kitchen diner, which has had a newly installed, fully fitted white gloss kitchen. To the rear of the property is a wonderful sized garden, laid to lawn with gated access. The property is heated and warmed by double glazed windows and a gas central heating system. The centralised staircase provides access to the first level, where you find 2 double bedrooms and the 3-piece family bathroom suite.